here at the Candlewood Suites here in Reading, Pennsylvania. And over here we have an Otis elevator. Got an Otis elevator with Series 5. Down in the basement. Get a cabbie, we're going down. Very basic elevator for a low-end hotel. Not too excited about this one. And we use your buttons. Should get down there. Can't really see when's installed, but this elevator was installed in 2008. Here in the basement. Look right out there, that's the hotel's parking garage. Now we'll take up to 3 and listen to the motor. Let's see something here. Fortunately, egg lamp is out of order, doesn't light up. So there goes the elevator. Now we're going to see here's a view up here on 3. Here's some of the view out here. Can't really see downtown Reading from up here. Not sure what street is down there. Got a bar or something right there. Stairs. I go check out the other window bar up here. Alright, so after quite a hike, going through this guest area or guest floor, we're now at the other side of this hotel. Got a trash can right there. I don't even see much with this shade in the way. There's not much of a view out here. Alright. There's your steps. This is the other steps. The other set of steps, sorry. And I guess we'll take it back down. I guess we'll back down the elevator now. Security camera right there. Alright, so we're now back here at the elevator. Let's take it back down. Looks like it's being used right now, so probably to cause some wait time. Alright, here's the elevator. We'll end at the basement. And here we're back at the basement. Alright, I guess we'll end the video right down here. As before, we actually have a good city view over there. So there goes the elevator. Alright. This is a perfect opportunity to see downtown Reading from right here. Nobody's coming. It smells very good out here. Not sure where it's coming from. Anyways, look off the distance, you can see downtown Reading. I believe this here was the chocolate factory that exploded about a year or so ago. That killed about 7 people and injuring many others. So if you don't know that, be sure to look it up I think it's called R.M. Palmer Chocolate Factory Explosion or something like that. But anyways, that was the elevator here at the Candlewood Suites. Kind of a rather boring Otis Series 5, but does the job right. So all I can say is, there goes the elevator. I guess that will be it.